The name of the activity you will be seeing is throwing the odds and evens. This is a fun activity to get your students thinking about math while they are physically active. It can be done in any open area with 2 to 30 students. The purpose of the activity is to help reinforce the concept of odd and even numbers by using over and underhand throws. It is also to practice adding numbers within 20. This activity would be for kindergarten, first, or second graders, but could be adapted to others. The first grade math standard from the Common Core that is met is Operations in Algebraic Thinking, Add and Subtract Within 20. The students should have previous knowledge of how to throw a ball over and underhand. What will you need for this activity? Assortments of balls, cups, pieces of paper with numbers between 1 and 20 written on them, and pieces of paper with addition problems written on them. This activity is to be completed after a discussion of even and odd numbers. Students will take turns drawing a number out of their cup and verbalizing to their partner whether the number is an odd or even number. If they draw an even number, they throw overhand to their partner, as you can see the students doing here. If they draw an odd number, they throw underhand. The number of throws is determined by the number on the piece of paper. Each release of the ball is considered a throw. The partners should continue the activity until all of their paper slips are out of the cup. Students should be instructed to try their best to get the ball to their partner so that their partner does not have to chase the ball. They should take the first piece of paper drawn and not dig for a certain number in the cup. There are also many variations to this activity. If you want to make it for younger students or for students who are not ready to pass with a partner, you can have them do it by themselves. If they get an even number, they throw the ball up to themselves and catch it. If they get an odd number, they can do jumping jacks or sit-ups for that amount. One way to make the activity more challenging and to meet the first grade standard of adding within 20, add addition problems like 3 plus 4 equals blank or 5 plus 7 equals blank to the paper instead of just a number. Then, the answer to the problem determines how many throws and whether to pass the ball over or underhand. Finally, if your students need more of a physical challenge, have them move further apart. This will allow them to throw the ball harder and practice more concentrated throws. At any of these times during the activity, the teacher can walk around to assess the students. To do this, the teacher should watch the students closely to see if they have an understanding of even and odd numbers. The teacher could also ask the students for an answer to a problem informally as he or she is walking around. I would take note of which students are successful and which students may need more practice.